The car LED headlight plus tail light assemblies for BMW F10 and F18 are a smart investment for any owner looking to upgrade their vehicle. They seamlessly blend advanced technology with user-friendly features, delivering superior performance, increased safety, and an aesthetic boost that enhances your vehicle's overall look. For those who value quality and performance, this product is a commendable choice. Installation is straightforward with a plug-and-play design, allowing users to effortlessly replace their existing headlight and tail light assemblies without any need for specialized tools or technical expertise. This feature is especially appealing for DIY enthusiasts who prefer to manage their vehicle. In terms of performance, these LED assemblies promise impressive illumination, improving night visibility and offering a significant edge in adverse weather conditions like rain or fog. The enhanced brightness and clarity not only benefit the driver but also increase awareness for other road users, contributing to overall road safety.